Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the webcast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. Dollar rupee May future should be opening higher around 9 pesos at 73.68. A stronger than expected inflation numbers on Wednesday from US is pushing the dollar index higher, and that is spilling over into a higher start for the dollar rupee. Today, traders will be watching a very important economic data from US that will be released after our markets close in the evening. That is US retail sales. If the data is stronger than expected, it will lead to further rise in the dollar index. But if the data is weak, it will lead to a sell-off in the dollar index, and the impact will be seen Monday when we start open. Currently, dollar rupees engaged in a range between 73.45 to 73.80 on the May futures, because RBI has been intervening and buying aggressively near 73.5 levels, and closer to 73.80 it has found a strong resistance, and dollar rupee may stay, the May futures may stay within this range of 73.5 to 73.80 for the time being. However, such narrow range do not last for long, and we expect this range to break next week. So if it breaks 73.80, it can make a move towards 74.10 or 74.15. For it to break down below 73.45, 73.50, when RBI is buying dollars so aggressively, it would require a significant sell-off in the dollar index globally. If that's not happening, it will be difficult for the dollar rupee to break down below 73.45 immediately. How to play this market now? One is you can look to write options, call and puts, to benefit from this very slow meandering range in the market. And aggressive traders can also look to sell out of money puts, considering that 73.45, 73.50 has become a very strong support on the futures. That translates to roughly around 73.25 to 73.30 as on the spot level as a very strong support. So below that you can sell put options, but maintain a stop in case this range is breaking down and it is trading below 73.45 levels on the May futures. On the international currencies, Euro INR is expected to be ranged. Pound INR, the bias continues to be upward, and we expect an overall range of 103.10 to 103.65. There's going to be a gap down opening closer to 103.4. And on the yen, again there's going to be a gap down opening. The bias continues to be down, and it can even test levels of 67 on the May futures. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off for the day.